Hello and welcome to this Java video tutorial. I'm going to be giving you a quick brief overview of inner classes. So let's begin here. I've created a new class which is called outer class, initialized it, called outerClass.innerClass on the inner class, then we just said inner class. This is just basically doing the dot notation like you would with a method, but we're doing it for the inner class. Then we're saying outerClass.new inner class, and then what we're doing here is innerClass.getValue. I'm sure you can imagine what's going on in inner class. Here we have, well, we haven't used this. Oh, actually, did I? Yeah, did I use it up here? No, I didn't. Anyways, well, let's get rid of this. So what we've got here, outer class and an inner class. A few things. Inner class is just basically a member of an enclosing class, as you can see that's going on here. You've got 4 types of inner classes. I'm not going to go over them all. Have a quick Google if you want to know them all. Method local inner classes cannot access method local variables. Final and abstract are the only modifiers available to method local inner classes. Anonymous inner classes don't have any name. As you can imagine, with the anonymous inner classes having a static modifier are known as static inner classes. Lastly, static nested classes are not accessible from non-static members of the outer class. Difference between a nested class and an inner class, as some of you may be asking this right now. Inner class is part of a nested class. Non-static nested classes are also, well, they are known as inner classes. So just to repeat that, inner classes is a part of a nested class. Non-static nested classes are known as inner classes. So what we're doing here, we've got a private integer. We're using a private, pretty much a getter, to get this k value up here, and then we're going to go in here again. We've initialized all this pretty basic stuff. Just think of this as a method, like a getter method, but honestly, we've got this in here. It's just a class within a class. It's pretty simple and trivial stuff, but it can get a bit more complex. So don't let me fool you. But yeah, have a look online for stuff such as inner classes and how they work. And here you are, value 9. There's non-static nested classes such as member classes, anonymous inner classes, local inner classes, all this stuff. There's only so much you can do really. There's only so much I can explain. A class is just a class within a class, and that's an inner class basically. But yeah, a few advantages, I guess. Nested classes are used to develop a more readable and maintainable code, some would argue. Code optimization requires less code to write. I believe if you compile this, it'll give you, the compiler will create 2 .java files for outer class and inner class. And I think that's it. I guess nested classes represent some sort of relationship argument where it can access all members and data types of an outer class, including private, which is quite nice. Yeah, but that's it. Have a look online. Play around with it and let me know what you think. Hopefully I was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.